Welcome to the project demonstration of hand gesture control pick and place robots. So here we are going to controlling this robot movements along with this arm movements, total 8 operations. So that is for robot movement forward, backward, left, right, and also for robotic arm up and down of this arm and open close of these fingers. So these total 8 operations will be transmitted from this hand motion. So here we have mounted the one is flex sensor. So this one is a flex sensor mounted the forefinger, and this one is the MEMS sensor as an accelerometer to detect the hand motions, and this is the transmitter, and we have the receiver at this receiver section, and these all also along with these 2 control buttons. So here the main inputs are like, so when we motion this gloves forward, backward, left, right, and then the robot will move respective directions, and this fingers movements, this is very important. Like, so little bit folding is nothing but open, and fully folding nothing but close. I'm repeating that. Little bit folding is open and fully folding is close operation. And this one is for robotic arm up motion, and this one is for down motion. Okay, so these are the main inputs, and all these are interfaced to our Arduino Nano board. So here we have used the Arduino Nano, which was interfaced at the pins of if 6th pin is interfaced to our flex sensor, and these 2 control buttons, push buttons, interfaced at pin number 2 and pin number 3, and A4, A5 for our ADXL 335, 345 is a MEMS accelerometer, and 0 and 1 for this RF transmitter. And the whole system get power supply from this 9-volt battery. Here we are using 7805 regulator. So after this regulator, it will get the 5 volts constant power supply. Once we on this by connecting here, the system starts sending that information to the robot section. So coming to this robot, so here we are using 4 DC motors, 2 DC motors at the robot movements and 2 DC motors for this gripper pick and place robotic arm movements, and the whole system driven by this 12 volt 2 amp battery pack. So here this battery pack consists of 4 volt batteries are 3 numbers connected in series. So this set is 12 volt 1 amp and this set is 12 volt 1 amp. These 2 are connected in parallel, so that we will get 12 volt 2 amp, and which is a rechargeable battery. So in order to recharge this battery, just connect this. This is a transformer we need to connect here. So T to the T section, and the next B at this B section. So connect here and give the 230 volts inputs to this transformer. Once we provided the 230 volts input, there will be a light indication on this charging circuit. So it will charging now, and it will take at least 8 to 12 hours, and after that duration you can switch off that. Automatically the charger will be off with the help of these diodes. Okay, so the charging circuit purpose is the transformer will convert 230 volts AC to 12 volts AC, and bridge rectifier will convert the 12 volts AC to pulsating DC, and after this capacitor we will get pure DC, which is sufficient to charge our battery. And after the time duration you can switch off that, and this is the main on off switch for the whole kit. And here we are using Arduino Uno board. So to this we have interfaced this 4 DC motors by making use of L293D ICs. So this one is the L293D board, and this is the one more L293D board. So this L293D board connected to the pick and place robotic arm DC motors, and this L293D board connected to the robot's 2 DC motors. So one L293D motor driver can control 2 DC motors in bidirectional, as it has the inbuilt dual H-bit circuitry. So the interfacing these L293D motor drivers to the Arduino Uno at 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 9, 10, 11 pins respectively. And also we have interfaced the RF receiver module. Here this one is the RF receiver module. This interfaces to the Uno board at 0 and 1 pin. And the power supply to this Uno board is from this L293D board only. So there we can see this is the 7805 regulator. So this will provide us the constant 5 volts power supply. So from these wires we are interfacing the power supply to the Uno board. So let us see the demonstration. So while we mounting this, so gently mount the gloves, right, and after that tuck this battery at this one, right? So you need to connect it here. So, and thereafter this is the on off switch, right? Wait, so switch on the sketch, so then the light indication here, and next switch on the robot. Okay, so let us see the demonstration on floor. So initially switch off the receiver section and thereafter disconnect the battery from here. So right, after reconnect the power supply to the transmitter section and switch on the robot. So initially I am showing the operation closely. Now let us see that. Sorry, I have this right on that. Backward, forward. So now observe carefully about the finger operation. So bit close is opening and full close is close, and this one is for up. While running, we should place this hand parallel to earth, and this one is for the down motion, right? And now I am to open the finger. So restart it. And for down and open, gentle, right? Okay, and back. So observe closely. So slowly open is opening of the finger, full close is closing of the finger again. So after catching the object from here to here directly, see, so fast you should do that. If you do it slowly, then again in between there is a opening option. Right. Thank you.